This is the Fujitsu fi-7160 scanner, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the brake and pick rollers. We recommend replacing the rollers at around 200,000 scans or less, depending on the condition they are in. If you notice the scanner's performance worsens over time, it might be time to replace your rollers. Environmental factors, as well as overall cleanliness of the scanner, can affect the performance of the rollers too. For that reason, we recommend trying to keep the scanner and all the consumables in it as clean as possible and very well taken care of. Make sure you have the right rollers or consumables for your specific scanner model. Do not use other rollers that do not correspond to another scanner. If you do, you can break the scanner and your scans will not come out correctly. Depending on the condition of your rollers, you can either replace the whole consumable or just the individual rollers themselves. Begin by taking out the input tray of the scanner by pulling it forward and detaching, so that way you have access to the pick rollers after you open up the scanner using the black lever. Once the scanner is open, lift up on the pick roller cover to open it using the tab at the top. The cover will sit there. Try not to take it off, otherwise you could break it. To remove the pick roller, pull up on the gray tab to release. Then, as you pull forward, slide the axis to release it from the casing. Once you have the axis out, you can replace the two rollers with the new ones from your consumable kit. To put it back in, if this black tab has fallen down, clip it back up into the gray holder. Then, take your axis, put it into the gold end, slide it in, and then clip the tab back in. After the axis is back in, put the face cover back down so you hear a click. On the other side, pinch the tabs in to open up the brake roller cover so you have access to the two brake rollers. To remove the brake rollers, pull up on the non-gear side and remove it at an angle so that it slides right out. Once removed, you can replace the two rollers with the set from your consumable kit. To put it back in, put the geared side back into the pin so it slides right back in. Once the roller is in, take the cover and put it back in so it clicks. After you've replaced the rollers, you can close the cover back and put the input tray back on. This concludes replacing the rollers on Fujitsu fi-7160 scanner.